Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. Thank all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. So this is where I am with the Mustang parts. I sprayed all the different paints. Exterior is going to be blue. I have to wait, I just finished spraying, so I have to wait until tomorrow to polish because it's enamel. Not bad considering I sprayed it in 50 to 65% humidity. There is like some inconsistency in the sheen. That should polish out or smooth out a little bit. Pretty much, flat black, gloss black, yellow shocks, nutmeg, my favorite, brown interior, the gloss coat and the chrome to make it look less toyish, and all the other blue body parts. So from here I'll just detail, polish, the usual. Alright, so most of the detail painting has been done. Did the black masking of the flat black on the hood. The battery, unfortunately the battery is part of the body. It's not a separate item. So if you can paint it, it can seem like a separate item. Did the chrome trim. The engine wiring, air cleaner chrome on top, the decorative trim on the rear tail lights, the black for the mag wheels, suspension, interior, the door panel, pedals. So most of the detail painting has been done. Hollowed out the tailpipes, the Mustang logo on the grill. So most of the detail painting is done. Highlighted the chrome nuts. So now I'm just going to put them all together. So when I come back, the three major sub-assemblies should be done. All right. So for some reason they don't want me to build the sub-assemblies. They want me to stick the interior in and then the chassis and start building the suspension rather than build up the suspension on the chassis separately. So before I flip it over, here's the interior, the red belts, the simulated wood on the dash. The one on the right glove box lays down perfectly, but the recessed gauges on the left, it doesn't lay down that smooth, so I kind of just left it where it would get a good grip and left it like that. Red belts, and that's pretty much it. Engine, the body, there's a lot of blacking out you have to do. Put some of the decals on already. I did spray the headliner brown, but then it got covered blue when I did the body. Everything's detailed, so now I'm going to slap it all together. But for example, the front nose, you have to black out where the headlights are. That blackout look. So let me slap it all together now. Alright, so I was doing well assembling everything, and then I had to tear it back down because I realized I forgot to touch up the interior and I couldn't get the paintbrush through the window. So I had to tear everything back down, but this gives me the opportunity to show you that this kit has a lot of parts from other variants of the 69 Mustang. So for example, they also gave you like a 428 valve cover, and they also gave you a GT 500 convertible roll bar, and the interior has the built-in roll bar base. So I ended up using the roll bar, so that's going to go in. So that way when you look at it from the outside, you see the roll bar. So there it is. Alright, so I am 80 to 85% done with this kit. So this is the last peek you will have kit until the final reveal on April 17th, 2024. So I still have the small items left, such as the air cleaner, the frame brace, some hoses, the complete front end with the headlights, grille, chin spoiler, front bumper. I also have the rear bumper to do with the tail lights, reverse lights, and of course the decals. But for the most part, everything's done. So you can see where I am now. See the interior. All four wheels roll very easily. It's a very modern kit. Everything works well so far. Here is the bottom. So that's it. So hopefully you guys will watch my final reveal on April 17th, 2024, which will be exactly 60 years when Ford introduced the 64.5 on April 17th, 1964. So that's it for now. I'll probably finish up the kit, put on the decals, make my video, load it, and schedule it for release on YouTube. So make sure you catch the final reveal 9 months from now. Later.